Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the fascinating world of Statistical Process Control, or SPC, within Lean Six Sigma. SPC is a method that uses statistical tools to monitor and control a process, ensuring its quality and efficiency. In Lean Six Sigma, it plays a crucial role in preventing defects and promoting a culture of continuous improvement. Imagine SPC as a health checkup for your business processes. Like a doctor uses tests to check your health, SPC uses control charts to evaluate process stability. These charts help identify variations that could indicate underlying issues. There are two types of variations: common cause and special cause. Common cause variations are inherent to the process, while special cause variations signal something unusual that needs addressing. The following video will discuss these variations in more detail. By understanding these variations, teams can implement corrective actions, improving quality and reducing waste. SPC empowers employees to make data-driven decisions, fostering a proactive approach to problem solving. An essential aspect of SPC is selecting the correct type of control chart. For attribute data, like defect counts, use P-charts or NP charts. For variable data, such as measurements, employ X-bar or R-charts. The correct chart ensures accurate tracking and analysis. We will discuss each of these charts in more detail in upcoming videos. Make sure to stay tuned. Implementing SPC involves defining the process, collecting data, creating control charts, and interpreting results. It's crucial to involve and train the team, promoting a shared understanding of the process and its metrics. One of SPC's most significant benefits is its ability to forewarn potential issues, enabling preemptive solutions. This proactive monitoring is key in Lean Six Sigma's pursuit of zero defects. Moreover, SPC aligns perfectly with Lean's focus on reducing waste and enhancing value. In summary, SPC is an essential pillar of Lean Six Sigma. It provides the tools to maintain quality control, minimize variations, and drive continuous improvement. Embracing SPC fosters a data-informed culture, paving the way for long-term operational excellence. On behalf of the Infinilean team, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights. See you on the flip side.